Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie, aka Dweebula, and for today's video I'm going to talk about how you can achieve these spring twists, passion twists, whatever you want to call it. So if you're interested, keep watching. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next video. Bye. Alright, so I ordered this hair off of Amazon. I think it says Rock Tris, and it's a 6-pack, color 1B. It comes with the crochet needle, and there's 6 of these, and they look really small, and yeah. It's supposed to be really long, so look at that. Anyhow, I attempted to comb the hair, and this is what it looked like, and it got really tangled, so I don't think I would recommend that. Alright, what else? I have started getting my 4 sections ready, and 1, 2, 3, my part looks crazy, but the back, this section, as you can see, is already pre-braided and done, and I'm applying shea butter and a little bit of Eco Styler to the roots to keep it together, and that's it. Alright, so I'll be using 2. I think 2 will be enough. I think 1 will just look too thin. I don't know, but I'm gonna use a crochet hook, the 2 on my pointer finger, and let's test this motherfucker out. Okay. Alright, so I had a really hard time latching on those 2 strands of hair and getting it through, especially when you're working on the back. It was almost like it was impossible, but I finally did it. Make sure you always check that those 2 strands of the twist are the same length, because if they're not the same length, you will run into problems later on. So always double check that it's the same length. Alright, so they're not the same length. So I'm going to use scissors to cut it. This is super duper long. This is how the twist came out. I don't know how I did, but it's in, so that's all I care about. I used gel so that my hair wouldn't pop out of it, especially since my hair is always frizzy, so hopefully it gives me a little bit of time. Anyhow, I'm going to continue and come back. Holy cow, I never realized how thin the front of my hair looks. Jesus. Anyway, I am applying the shea butter, and then I'm applying a little bit of Eco Styler, and I just braid it down a little bit. Don't braid down too much, because the more you break down, the more visible that braid is going to be, and you don't want that. So yeah, throw in your crochet hook. Now I'm a pro at this point, and braid down the hair. I have really frizzy hair, so I applied Eco Styler as I went down. I guess next time I'll try to use something stronger, because my hair lasted about 2 weeks. I will show that update later on. Alright, so this is the final results. I am done. I'm gonna walk down here so you can see how long it is. It's pretty long. Pointers. I will say that braiding it a little bit and then doing the crochet hook thing, I think it might work better if you use rubber bands. Also, the front, I just used one single strand of the crochet hair, but the back, I used double. And honestly, there's not a huge difference as far as size goes. So you could use less hair if you just use a single strand of the crochet hair, and then you'll just use less hair. I ended up using 4 packs, and this could definitely be achieved with only 3 packs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye.